Okay, so today I have to replace my pressure tank, and this is for my irrigation. So I have to, let me explain what's happening. The pump is switching on and off very frequently, so that makes me think the pressure tank was bad. So I took the breaker off for the pump and ran all the water out, and then I tested the pressure of the tank using this and a pressure gauge. And it's supposed to be, if the pump is switching off, this is a 40-60 psi. Don't know if you can see that all the way inside there. The tank needs to be 38 psi. So when I let all the pressure out of the system, all the water out, and I checked the tank, it was reading 0. So I pressured it back up, and it seemed to hold the pressure for a few days, and then it ran down again. I did it a third time, and it's down to, I pressured it up to 38, I think 3 days ago, and right now it's down to 33. So it's leaking somewhere. I don't know if it's leaking from here, maybe from here, I'm not sure. Or maybe the bladder inside, the diaphragm is defective. If I shake it, it doesn't seem to be full of water. So there's a small leak somewhere. So at this point, I'm just going to replace it. This is a Waterworks brand. It's faded, so you can't read it. And it's about $200 at Home Depot for the 20-gallon tank. So I'm just going to cut here and take this out. I have to determine what fitting I need under here. I'll purchase the tank, purchase the replacement fitting, and just connect it back up with a coupling. So that's what I got to do. And before you start everything up, just check your pressure. It may be overpressured. You may need to let some air out. It's down to 38 psi. If you have a 30-50 valve, you're going to need to pressure it up to 28. I have the 40-60, so I need to pressure it up to 38 psi. Any questions, let me know. There it is, all replaced.